Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Katrina. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can refresh your curly hair. Sometimes when you have curly hair, maybe like day 3 or 4, your hair kind of starts to look frizzy, kind of not defined, kind of dull. If you're like me, I wash my hair once a week, maybe every 5 days, just because if I wash my hair more than that, just my hair will be just like a dry broom. I'm going to show you guys how you can refresh and redefine your curls without having to wash it so fast. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're notified whenever I upload. So if you want to see how I refresh my curls, keep watching. So this is what my hair usually looks like on day 3 or day 4. It is day 3 right now, so definitely I've lost a lot of definition. Usually by this day 3 or 4, I just put in a ponytail because it kind of starts to look like frizzy, especially like the other day it was like super hot, so my hair really just kind of frizzed out of the style. So usually I just put it and leave it in a ponytail till it's time to wash my hair. I'm going to show you guys a couple different things you can do. You can either do all the steps, you can either do some of the steps. Really you just kind of have to do like a trial and error and see what works best for you. Let's start off by taking my hair down so you guys can see. Yeah, it definitely looks kind of messed up. But my hair is still clean. It's not really ready to be washed yet, so I kind of want to preserve it as long as I can, because shampooing just really dries out my hair. So that's why I usually wash my hair like once a week, or at least like I try to stretch it out like 5 days. But usually in the summertime, sometimes I'm washing my hair like every day, just because sometimes it's too hot, or like if we go to the beach or we go to the pool or whatever, you know, you want to wash off all that chlorine. But if I can, I try to stretch it out as long as possible. Especially now I just got my hair cut, so I really want to you know, maintain the integrity of my hair, because in the winter time when it gets cold, I do straighten my hair a lot, usually like once or twice a week, but I do straighten I put a lot of heat to my hair. So the summertime I kind of try to let it relax, so that's why I don't want to wash it, you know, every day or every couple days, because then it'll get dry and then it kind of looks like a broom. So yeah, here's the first thing I like to do: dry shampoo. I feel like when you use dry shampoo, it just kind of gives you that body back, even though I kind of still do have body. I feel like it just kind of just prepares your roots, and it removes any oil you may have, and it smells good. So what I do is I kind of gently try to part my hair and just spray. I'm using the Eva NYC Freshen Up Dry Shampoo. I actually got this from Gen Beauty, and this has lasted me a while just because I don't use it so often. But yeah, I think you can I'm sure you can get this at Ulta. I don't know where else actually, but definitely Ulta. Maybe Target. So yeah, I just kind of like to spray it in my roots. You just want to let it dry for like a minute. I kind of like to do this. I don't know why, you don't have to, but I kind of want it to dry for a minute before I run my fingers through it. Now what you want to do when it's dry is I kind of just like to just massage it into my head. Just to really get it in my roots. If you like big hair and a lot of body, definitely start with this. Okay, once you finish that, now we're going to move on to the next step. Now this one is kind of optional if you're going to continue on, or you can just do these first 2 steps and kind of stop at this. What I'm going to be using is this Eva NYC Forget Me Not Dry Conditioner. The dry shampoo is for your roots and dry conditioner is for your ends. What I love about this is it's not greasy at all. It's very lightweight, and it just detangles, you know, your hair. Any tangles you may have, they come right out with this, and it leaves your hair feeling really soft. Depending on your hair length, you may want to work in sections. If my hair was longer, I would definitely have to probably probably part it into 4 sections just so I can get every piece. But since my hair is shorter, I can pretty much work like this. So what you want to do is shake it and just spray from mid-length to ends. Okay, again, let that dry for a minute. When it dries, what I like to do is just kind of flip it over and scrunch it. I like to do that because that gives it the most body. If you don't want such big hair, I guess, which I don't know who wouldn't want big hair, but if you don't, just kind of leave it like this and scrunch it up like that. Now this one, the dry conditioner, I think you can definitely do this like on day 2 hair. Day 3 or 4, it might not be as, you might need something more, which is what I'm going to show you guys right now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm basically going to re-wet my hair. You want it to be damp, but you don't want it to be like soaking wet. I filled this water bottle. I filled the water bottle, I don't know, halfway. It has numbers on here, but I actually don't know. Like, I don't know what measurement this is. It doesn't say it on here. But yeah, it's a pretty tall water bottle, so I filled it up halfway and put a tiny little quarter-size amount of conditioner. This is the conditioner I use. It's the Maui Moisture Volcanic Ash. I put a tiny little bit. I put it in here and I shook it up just to make my hair a little bit more smooth. When I washed my hair the other day, I mainly put on this. This is the CANTU Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair. So one of the ingredients in this is water. If you use any kind of leave-in conditioners, usually they have water in it. The reason I'm going to re-wet my hair is because there was water in this. So basically what you're going to be doing is activating the ingredients that you used before, if that makes sense. I don't know, maybe I didn't explain that good. If I didn't, I'll put it down below or I'll put it in the video. But yeah, if you use products like usually leave-in conditioners, they usually have water. You can read the ingredients and it says it has water in it. So basically you want to use water to reactivate it and refresh your hair. Again, like I said, if you have longer hair, you probably want to section it into like 4 or, you know, however is easier for you. Again, like I said, my hair is shorter now, so I can probably get away just doing it like this. You don't want to have your hair dripping wet. You just kind of want to have it damp. I'm just going to spray all of my hair and come back to you guys when I finish. Once you think you've wetted your hair enough, then what I like to do is scrunch it just a little bit. Again, like I said, your hair shouldn't be dripping wet. It should be just damp. Okay. Now what I like to do is take more of that CANTU leave-in conditioning cream. Just a little. I'm going to take like this much. Oh, I think I took a little bit too much. Put some back. Okay, and I'm just gonna... Okay. And then I'm gonna scrunch it up even more. Okay, this is basically what I do for the next like 5 minutes. If you need to add more water, you can go ahead and do so. I think I did pretty good. Okay. I try not to spray too much water in my roots just because I don't want to completely take out the dry shampoo. So I try to get it maybe like 1/2 inch away from the root, but definitely not directly on my roots. Again, you could, what I like to do is flip over my hair and scrunch it, flip it back over. What I like to do, and because I usually don't use hairspray just because I don't want like such a hard look, I like to add this IGK Beach Club texture spray. I feel like this gives my hair a little more hold, but not like a super hard hold like hairspray would. unless you're using like a lightweight hairspray, but I kind of like to avoid hairspray altogether. So yeah, I'm just gonna spray this on my ends. And I'm not gonna lie, this doesn't have the best smell, but I don't know, it doesn't make your hair smell, but at least I don't think. I love the texture that it gives to my hair. And then again, I'm just gonna scrunch that in. So this is the finished look. So again, just to remind you guys, we went from looking like this to this. Ding. I just want to say, this is not like a way to skip washing your hair. Your hair has like dandruff from product and stuff. Please just wash your hair. This is a way to, like, if you have like day 3, 3, 4 hair and your hair is, you know, for the most part still pretty much clean and you don't want to wash it right away, this is definitely something you can do. And you're not limited to these products. You can really use whatever you want. This is just, like I said, I got these 2 from Gen Beauty. Actually, I got these 3 from Gen Beauty, and I've been loving them, so I've been using them. So when I run out of them, I probably will continue to buy them. But yeah, whatever you use, whatever dry shampoo brand you use, whatever conditioner you use, whatever leave-in cream you use, that's fine. I mean, not everybody's going to use the same products. So whatever you see works best for you, you can do it. But definitely follow along these steps, and you can definitely refresh your curly hair without having to wash it so fast. Comment down below what products you like to use to style your curly hair, or what products you use when you refresh your curly hair, if you do, or if you're trying this for the first time. Comment down below and let me know how it works out for you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're notified whenever I upload, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!